Hey everybody, it's Julie from A Beautiful Horizon, and today we are doing a power hour. This is a collab with Rachel from Day to Day Joys and a bunch of other awesome ladies, so be sure to check out the playlist in the description box to watch all their videos after you're done watching this one. If you came from somebody else's channel, hi! I am very glad to see you here, and I would love to hear a little bit about you in the comments if you want to leave me a comment and tell me your name and where you're from and how you found me. Whose channel you're coming from and all that kind of fun stuff. Subscribe if you want to stick around. Like this video if you think this is a fun playlist. And I am going to be cleaning out my linen closet today. It's one of those things where it actually doesn't look too bad because everything is stuffed in these ginormous baskets, but it's just kind of a mess. It's a secret mess in there. So I decided to pull it all out today and just sort through it and only put back what actually makes sense. And if something's in the wrong spot, put it somewhere where it actually belongs, or get rid of things if I have things I don't need, all that kind of stuff. Just clean it out. And this took me about a half an hour to do, and then I decided with the rest of the time I would just tidy up my kitchen, and I think I ran out of time at the end, but I just, kept going and cleaning my kitchen, and it was just fun to have a little inspiration with all these other mamas to get something accomplished today in this hour time frame.
So try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car.
Does anybody else have this issue where you have over the years had different sizes of beds? And so you wind up with all these like random different kinds of sheet sets, and maybe you don't even have that size of bed anymore in your home. Well, that was kind of my thing here. I was just trying to figure out what actually applied to my family, and some things I had been given. Oh, there's my robot vacuum cleaner. It came to say hello, and I told it to stop for a minute because I was in the midst of a big old mess. Anyways, that'll make an appearance again later.
Someone else, I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
All right, y'all. Do you guys fold your fitted sheets, or do you just wad them up and throw them wherever they go? I do a bit of both. So I don't fold them perfectly straight, neat, and all that kind of thing. But I try to do my best. But I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I just wad them up and throw them in the basket because I don't know. I just get frustrated with them. But I'm trying, at least for the camera. I'm trying to make them look decent. So that's for you guys.
The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me?
And that's about it. I was super happy to have my closet back in order. So I could put the vacuum and the mop down in the bottom, and we're good to go. Then here I am tidying up my kitchen, And I like to flip all the chairs over before letting the vacuum loose. I got a robot vacuum. It's actually a Neato instead of a Roomba. It's the same principle, but it has a couple extra features that we liked. And if you want more info about that, let me know in the comments. I might make another video about time-saving products that you can buy or something. I don't know. But anyway, and then, yeah, it knocked over my tripod, so that was a problem. But I like to put all the chairs up so that the vacuum can go around and it doesn't get stuck underneath anything.
Know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing?
So that's it. Then I just proceeded to finish cleaning up, and that was the end of the day. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Be sure to check out the other ladies' videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!